I tested 400 AI tools in 9 months. 3 of them changed how I work. 3 of them I wish I had never paid for. Here's the honest list from a guy who spent real money. By the end of this video, you will know which 3 AI tools I use every single day, and which 3 I am telling you to skip, even when the ads look good. No affiliate links, no sponsors, no hype. Just what actually worked for a guy rebuilding his business with one eye. My name is Brent Bryson. I built 9 Subway franchises in 18 months. I hit Blue Diamond in network marketing in 12 more. I lost my left eye in 2024. One eye now. Full fire. I am rebuilding everything from scratch. And these last 9 months, I tested AI tools with my own money, so you do not have to. First, the 3 I actually use every week, some every day. Number 1. Manus. Manus is an autonomous agent. You give it a task, it goes and does it. Last week I asked it to research 50 prospects for me, build dossiers, rank them by fit. It did it overnight, while I slept. When I woke up, I had a better shortlist than any assistant I have ever paid. That is not hype. That is a new kind of leverage. Number 2. Hey Jen. The video you are watching right now was made with Hey Jen. My voice is an 11 Labs clone. My face on screen is a HeyGen avatar. One person. Production company output. This used to cost $10,000 per video. Now it costs less than my cell phone bill. If you are afraid of being on camera, HeyGen is your unlock. Number 3. Notebook LM. Notebook LM is Google's research tool. You feed it documents. It understands them. I dropped 47 PDFs into it last month, got a clean synthesized brief in 4 minutes. Would have taken a research team a week. Here is the magic trick. It turns your brief into a podcast. I listen to my own research on the drive to meetings. I walk in sharper than anyone else in the room. Now, the 3 I would tell you to skip. This is my opinion, based on my money, based on my time. Number 1. Jasper AI. Jasper was the king of AI copywriting in 2023. I paid $69 a month. Then I realized Claude does the same job, in a tab I already had open. In 2023, Jasper was $1 billion company. By 2026, every general AI tool has lapped them. They did not innovate. They marketed. If you are paying for Jasper today, you are paying for a brand, not a product. Number 2. Synthesia. Synthesia is a HeyGen competitor. Same category, very different feel. Synthesia was built for corporate training, HR departments, compliance videos. I tested both for 30 days. Same script, same setup. Synthesia felt like a learning management system. HeyGen felt like me. If you are a creator, a distributor, or a builder, use HeyGen. Number 3. Rabbit R1. Remember the Rabbit R1? $200 AI device. Viral CES demo. Raised millions in pre-orders. Shipped broken. People got paperweights in orange boxes. Here's the lesson that applies to every AI tool you will ever evaluate. The demo was fake in the way that matters. It could not do in your living room what it did on stage. That is the tell. Here's the filter I use now. Before I pay for any AI tool, I ask 3 questions. Does it save me hours a week, not minutes? Can I show the output to a customer without being embarrassed? Is this company still going to exist in 6 months? If the answer is no to any one of them, I skip it. There are 2,000 AI tools launching every month. You do not need 2,000. You need 3 that work. Manus. HeyGen, Notebook LM. Those 3 combined cost me less than $100 a month. Way more value than they cost. Here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to this channel. Follow me on X at Brent Bryson. I am posting every other day for the next 100 days. Real AI. Real distribution. Real results. No pitch, no course, no funnel. I may have a pea-sized brain, and I'm pretty sure I'm right about this. If you're not future ready, you're destined for an underclass. I tested 400 tools, so you do not have to. See you in the next one.